back everyone. Today in this video you're going to learn about cloud storage. What is cloud storage? Cloud storage allows you to save data and files in an off-site location that you access either through the public internet or a private connection. So when you save your data, you have two options. Whether you can store in your device, it can be your pen drive, CD, DVD, computer, mobile phone, anything. Or you can save your data in clouds. Clouds mean where you can store your data at the upper layer of earth. Now in this video you're going to learn about the storage, how cloud storage help us to save our data for a longer time period and how it is useful for us. So before starting slides, we will learn some vocabulary, some terms related to cloud storage. So the first term is cloud storage, a service that allows you to store computer files, photographs, etc. on the internet rather than saving them on your own computer or other device. Example, with single account you can save your data up to 15 GB in your cloud storage. So the next word is archive. Archive means a complete file used to store electronic information or document that you no longer need to use regularly. Now next word is threat. A suggestion that something unpleasant or violent will happen, especially if particular action or order is not followed. That is called threat. Now the next word is cyber security. Cyber security or information technology security are the technique of protecting computer network programs and data from unauthorized access or attack that are aimed for exploitation. Cyber security has so many fields. In this video, we're gonna learn something related to cyber security as well.
Cloud storage. What is the cloud? You may have heard people using terms like the cloud, cloud computing or cloud storage. But what exactly is the cloud? Simply, the cloud is the internet. More specifically, it is all of the things you can access remotely over the internet. When something is in the cloud, it means it is stored on internet server instead of computer hard drive. Now why use the cloud only? Some of the main reason to use the cloud are convenience. For example, if you are ever used a web-based email service such as Gmail or Yahoo Mail, you have already used the cloud. All of the emails in the web-based service are stored on server rather than on your computer hard drive. This means you can access your email from any computer with an internet connection. It also means you will able to recover your email if something happened to your computer. So let's look at some of the most common reasons to use the cloud. The first is file storing. You can store all type of information in the cloud, including files and emails. File sharing. The cloud makes it easy to share file with several people at the same time. Backupping your data. You can also use the cloud to protect your file. There are apps such as Dropbox that can automatically back up your data, means that can automatically store your data. Now, what is cloud storage? So you are at your computer working on some important file. Suddenly stone crack your window and flatten your computer. But as you staring to the creator and you smiling and think, at least my photos, music tracks and important documents are stored in the cloud. When something is stored in the cloud, that means it saves on internet server. Instead of your computer, it's like having an extra hard drive you can access anytime. You are connected to the internet. You can access your files anywhere by using cloud-based apps. Some run inside your computer web browser. It's called web application or web apps. And some of them can be installed in your mobile device. You can create any file or record video or click photograph. You can save it in your cloud storage. Then you can access your document in other device like laptop or mobile phone or tablet. Storing files in the cloud is a great way to protect them from accident, viruses and many more. You can use cloud-based storage service like Google Drive, Amazon Drive, Dropbox. These services run continuously and back up or store your file automatically. This way, you always have recent and latest version of your file to store and secure on online servers. If something bad happens to your device, you can easily transfer it, back up your file to cloud to another device. When your file and document is stored inside the cloud, you can need not to worry about it. How does cloud storage work? Cloud service provider maintain large data center in multiple locations around the world. When customer purchase cloud storage from the provider, they turn over most aspect of the data storage to the vendor, including security, capacity, storage services, and computing resources. customer applications can access the stored cloud data through traditional storage protocols or some rules, application programming indicator. They can also be moved to the cloud. Now, how cloud storage work with vary depending on the type of storage used. So there are three main type of uses. First is block storage. Second is file storage. And third is object storage. When user want to save any data inside the cloud storage, then first user will collect the data in their mobile phone or laptop or tablet with any login password ID of that application or web app. They can let their photos in the cloud, and this process will help them to get updated all the latest photographs and file document to save inside cloud storage. Data of the user is stored in servers that are in remote locations. The user is connected to the server where his or her data is stored with the help of internet. Now, user upload data into the internet and send it to the data server connected. This data server send the same data to different servers to stored remotely, to stored properly in the cloud or in the internet. This data when needed by user, so user can access through internet. The data is stored in different servers because the server through which the user is connected may not be available at the time of his need. If the server faces a problem due to maintenance, less worried is the user because data is stored in other servers as well. So this storage, if in the public cloud, the primary storage will never near the physical location of the user. Due to this, faster availability and lower cost. Cloud services are used by paying a certain amount fixed by the service provider based on the storage and uses of the end user. The difference between personal and private being personal storage will be the mostly owned by a person to store graphic and text, while private will be owned by a company for its data storage. Now, let's learn some common examples of cloud storage. So first is Google Drive. Google Drive is a file storage website or application which was developed by Google. It was launched on 24 April 2012. Allows user to store files in the cloud on Google server. synchronization of those files across all the device in which your account is open. Next is OneDrive. Microsoft OneDrive is also a cloud storage application which keeps your photos and file backed up, protected, synchronized, and accessible on all your devices. Next is Dropbox. Dropbox is a cloud-based file storage and collaboration platform designed for the modern workspace to reduce busy work so you can focus on the thing that matters. Dropbox brings your file together in one central place. They are easy to find and safely synchronized across your all the devices, so you can access them anytime, anywhere. No more wasting the data to track down your work. Amazon Drive. Amazon Drive is a secure online storage service for your photos, videos, and files. Every Amazon customer gets 5 GB of free storage shared with Amazon Photos. Save, organize, share, and access your all file on desktop, mobile, and tablet. Advantages and disadvantages of cloud storage. Advantages: usability and accessibility, security, cost efficient, convenient sharing of files, automation, multiple users, synchronization, convenience, scalable, disaster recovery. And disadvantages of cloud storage: drag and drop, internet dependency, data security and privacy, expensive cloud storage.